My name is Lindsay and welcome to my video today. Today we're doing a different kind of video. I'm doing a day in the life. Oh, and one of the things that's been going on a lot lately is Marco Poloing my good friend Ivory Cherry. If you guys haven't seen her videos, you need to check them out.
I have a picture of that. That is too funny.
I thought I would go into my daily routine. I have had a lot going on today. This morning I woke up and I had a call with my psychiatrist. If you guys don't know, I suffer from mental health and have a lot of health issues, mental health issues as well as physical health issues. But it's okay. I am on a healing journey. Let me know if you guys want me to go more in depth about mental health, because I know it can be a triggering subject for people sometimes, but I know it can also be encouraging for some people to know that, hey, I'm not the only one going through this. There's somebody else going through this too. So let me know if you guys are interested in a mental health update or what exactly my diagnoses are, kind of talk about all of that. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in something like that. This morning I woke up and I had a long call with my psychiatrist just to kind of go over where I've been, you know, where I'm at for this month. Had a really good conversation with him, made some coffee, and here I am now. It's actually the afternoon. It's like 12:30 right now. I decided, you know, I really want to do a wear test, but I was unsure if I should do one because I have to go to the chiropractor later, and if you know what it's like going to the chiropractor, you're face down all up in that chair or whatever, and I just don't want my makeup to get all messed up. So my friend Ivory suggested, you know, it's okay if your makeup's messed up. It's a day in the life situation, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I should film a day in the life. So that's where we are right now. Thought I would show you guys kind of what's going on. Like I said, I have the chiropractor later today, and we'll see where the day takes us. It's 1:30 now, and I'm gonna make lunch. This lighting is horrendous. I'm in my kitchen. I know I haven't showed too much of my new condo at all, but I'm in the kitchen, and if you guys remember what the kitchen looked like in my old place, it is a major step up to what it used to be. So I'm gonna heat up some lunch and have that. I have to go to the chiropractor soon, so let's heat up some lunch. Yum, I got my lunch all heated up. I usually like to watch YouTube or play Animal Crossing while I'm eating lunch, so I'm going to do say hi to the vlog.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh. Alright, what do you need help with?
Remember, it's that argument thing. I need your...
So does that make sense?
Yeah.
Do you have to put it...
Hook.
Oh, the hook? Where?
I don't know how I would hook that. It's the second picture.
Oh, the second picture. Okay, let's see.
The bottom.
Yeah, okay, go back now and write your hook. After you have the hook, now brainstorm your conclusion. Do you have to put these in a certain format or something? The way she has this broken down is very confusing.
I know, I don't even know what's happening.
Glad I'm not in school anymore. What a treat! Come here, buddy. Come here. Luna. Luna. Here. Here, that's for Arlo. There you go. I'm running a little late right now. I always think I have enough time, and then I don't have enough time. Heading to the chiropractor now. Whee! This is the first time I've ever had a garage, which is really nice. See you when we get to the chiropractor. At the chiropractor. Just got done with the chiropractor. Found some interesting things out from my x-rays. I had x-rays done this last time. Ooh. So I found some interesting things out. Oh dear, this is not. Oh, excuse me. I got back from the chiropractor a couple hours ago. Bae is home from work. If you want to know how tall I am, this is how tall I am.
Tiny.
Yeah, look, see? You can't even see Jared's head. But I was at the chiropractor, found out I'm totally screwed up. Oh, well, the sun came out. It's really nice. And had coffee, and then we're gonna figure out what to do for dinner. But yeah, that's exactly what's going on right now. This lighting is amazing. The time is now 8:16, and it's later in the night. Oh, I just popped a big zit. So we actually ended up going to Costco after my boyfriend got home from work. We went there, ran some errands. I didn't film inside. I was just enjoying being with my boyfriend, just looking around Costco, stuff like that. Got back home, put the groceries away, and then we made dinner. So he ended up getting a Costco pizza. Who likes Costco pizza? And I made ramen for myself. So that's what we did. And then we ended up watching some episodes of Hunter x Hunter. If you guys are watching that, I know you guys mentioned, some of you guys were like, oh my gosh, you recognized who's on my t-shirt. I'm going to be editing the footage that I just filmed and everything like that. And that's going to be pretty much the rest of the night. I don't know what else I'm going to be doing. This day in the life was pretty boring, but we'll see what else I get up to. And if this is what I end up uploading, I don't know. Good morning. I'm off to the chiropractor again. I was running a little bit late. There's a big truck. Okay, good. I was running a little bit late, so I'm glad I woke up. I'd set my alarm for the wrong time. Has anybody else done that? So I'm glad my body automatically woke myself up. So I'm heading to the chiropractor again, and then I'll be heading back home. So hopefully all goes well. Hello! So I thought I would come on here and do a mini story time and kind of tell you why I go to the chiropractor so often, why my body's in so much pain, and what exactly is going on. I know all this is kind of random, but this is the reality for me. I was in a serious car accident in 2011. I ended up fracturing both of my hips and my lower spine in 2 places. I was actually in a wheelchair for 3 months, and I had to learn to walk all over again and go through rehabilitation, physical therapy, all that kind of stuff. I don't have too many pictures of when I was in a wheelchair just because, I don't know, social media wasn't a thing back then. It was 2011 and it just wasn't a thing. I do have, I think there is a video on like my super old channel of me kind of documenting what exactly I went through. I'm in a wheelchair now, so if you can see, if I back up on my sweatpants and everything, so I've just in sweats. It's kind of hard to go on the carpet, but so this has been my little station right now. This is the only, our table in the kitchen is too high for me, so this is the only table that's at my level, but I've been resting for the past 2 weeks. I have a physical therapist that comes out with me 3 days a week, and she helps me strengthen my legs and strengthen my hips so it can heal better. Having the accident and being in a wheelchair really put me in a different perspective of what people who are like this, you know, all the time, what they have to go through. And for me, I was allowed, the physical therapist told us I was actually allowed to go outside of the house, so I was super excited about that. So we ended up going to the mall for my mom's birthday, and people would just stare at me, and it was really uncomfortable, and I know how that feels like now. I lost part of my memory. I don't remember what happened, so what I do explain about my car accident is all from other people telling me what had happened to me. So because of those fractures and everything, I've developed a lot of scar tissue, and I've been going to the chiropractor ever since my car accident. I was in therapy for a really long time, but this is something that I'm just gonna have to deal with for the rest of my life, unfortunately. I thought I would kind of explain why I've been going to the chiropractor so often, what exactly all of this is and stuff, and I kind of wanted to mention why I take such long breaks between my videos. It's not only my mental health, but I suffer from severe migraines, like severe to the point where I'm throwing up. And they usually put me out for a week. And so I'm trying a new chiropractor out. We're gonna see if we can kind of fix what's going on. But on the x-rays that I saw from the chiropractor the other day, my spine is super twisted. My sacrum is rubbing against my lower L5 lumbar on my spine. My spine's twisted. My neck is like super straight and screwed up. So there's that. But I'm kind of upset because I've been doing chiropractic care for years, and if you just don't go to the right people, it's just not going to help your situation. So mine is a lot more skeletal than I realized, and this is my reality. I know if you watch Taylor Wynn, I know she suffers from severe migraines, and she actually had to have a surgery for it. I'm nowhere near where I have to have surgery for it, but it definitely is getting extremely problematic. I'm at the point where I take medication to prevent migraines, but a lot of my migraines are coming from my body and not necessarily something that needs to be surgically worked on or anything, which is really good. So I thought I would kind of explain what's going on. And that car accident has affected me not only physically but mentally as well. And again, if you guys want me to go more in depth on what exactly I experience on a daily level as far as or on a daily basis as far as like mental health, physical health, and all that kind of stuff, let me know in the comment section. I know I'd mentioned that earlier in the video, but this is my reality, and that's why I take so long of breaks during videos, because I get migraines out of nowhere. Like, they're unpredictable sometimes. I don't know how I'm gonna wake up or how much pain I'm going to be in. Like right now my hip is hurting super bad, and that's just my reality. But I'm still gonna try to push through and try to get to a point where I'm not in this much pain. And I'm going to the chiropractor a lot more, and I'm going to a doctor and all that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to figure out all this stuff. It's a little bit overwhelming just based on what I found out from my x-rays and stuff, but we're gonna try and get there. So I kind of want to explain a little bit of why I go to the chiropractor, why I take such long breaks during videos and stuff like that, but kind of let you guys into my life a little bit and let you know more about me in that way. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It wasn't too eventful, but I hope you got to see kind of what a typical day looks like when I'm not filming. So that's kind of what that looks like. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at shwayhenancy. All the links to everything will be left down below if I refer to anything like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!